Hi, first grade. Hey, does anybody know what ice cream's favorite day of the week is? I think it's Sunday. All right. Today we will collect and organize data. We will organize our ice cream data into a picture graph. And then this is important so that we can interpret information more accurately. Let's review our vocabulary. Tally marks. Say tally marks. One line for each object that you count. The fifth line crosses the other lines. Key. Say key. It explains how much each object is worth. Here is the key. Title. Say title. That explains what the graph is about. The title is at the top of the graph. Picture graph. Say picture graph. This is a way to organize data using pictures. This graph used happy faces. Bar type graph. Say bar type graph. It's a way to organize data using bars. These bars tell you how many of this kind of fruit each child chose. Labels. Say labels. They explain what the items on the graph are. These labels are the fruit. This label is the number of children who chose that fruit. Here was our picture graph we made of our favorite foods. We had foods. Here's our title, favorite foods. Our labels, food and votes. And then our key was the happy face guy equaled 1 vote. Today we're going to use our tally chart that we made with our ice cream yesterday. And we're going to create a picture graph. Now, here's the trick. We have to look at our tally chart to know how many chose vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. Then we're going to have to move the little ice creams around so that we can use the ice cream scoops as our pictures. Let me show you what I mean. Don't forget your title at the top. We need our favorite ice cream at the top. That's still our title. Now, you're going to see all these little ice creams on the sides. We also need to write in the label. This label would be number of students. This label shows the pictures of the ice cream, so it's going to be what? Ice cream. The key says each scoop equals 1 vote. So if we look back at our tally chart, how many chose chocolate? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to move 4 chocolate ice creams to our picture graph. Now, this looks like 5 chocolate ice creams, but this is actually part of our label right here. So I'm just going to draw a line to separate that. That's part of our label, the different ice cream flavors. So now this shows that 4 children chose chocolate ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each scoop is going to count as 1 vote. Okay? So on your label on this side, this is the number of votes or the number of children. At the bottom, your label down here is going to be favorite ice cream or types of ice cream or just ice cream. And then on the next page, you're going to go to your extra practice, your 2 videos, extra math, and iStation. Then there's the math apps that your teacher can or doesn't have to let you go to. Let's review. What did we learn today? We learned that you can use data from a tally chart, like we did with our favorite ice cream, to make a picture graph. And you are going to move the ice creams to the picture graph to show the number of students that voted for each type of ice cream. Don't forget your title at the top, and on the side, your labels need to go in those boxes. Then you're going to save it and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day. Bye.